Hi. So let's talk about some place value. Some of us have been doing this in our small groups, and you may have had some admin lessons about place value, but today we're going to talk about tens. We're going to talk about what to do with some leftover ones. We're going to look at this place value map and really just looking at bundles of tens. So in my place value map, I have 3 places. I have hundreds, tens, and ones. Right now we're just looking at tens and ones. So let's look at ones first. I'm going to put 10 ones in my ones place. Now I have 10 ones in my ones place. We've learned that once you get to 10 ones, you bundle them, you put them together. So I'm going to bundle these together, trade them for a 10. Now a 10 can't go in the ones place, a 10 has to go in the tens place. So right now, if I were to write down this number, I have a 1 in the tens place, and I have 0 in the ones place. This is showing me the number 10. This is a tens rod, and when I count it by 10, so I can point to it and say 10. And I have no leftover ones, so this is just the number 10. So let's take a closer look at these ones. So I'm going to show you why they equal 110. So if I have 10 of them, and they're lined up like this, it's the same thing as if I had 10. So it's just easier to manage when they're in one group of 10. All right, what if I had 3 tens and this many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That number, if I write that number down, I have 3 in the tens place, and I have 5 in the ones place. So this is the number 35. 3 tens, 5 ones. Alright, let's say I'm counting groups of 10. So let's get out some squares. Just do squares. Alright, I'm going to count out groups of 10, and I'm going to bundle them together to make groups of 10. So I'm going to put them in stacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have a stack of 10 here. Start a new one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I want you to look at the ones that I have left. Do I have enough to make another group of 10? I don't. So what am I going to do with these leftovers? I have 2 groups of 10. These are going to be what? I have tens and ones. So very carefully move my place value map back over here. I can put my groups of tens in my tens place. And then my leftovers are my ones. So this would be 2 tens and 5 ones. That's the number 25. I have 2 tens and 5 ones. 25. So remember, when you're counting, when you have 2-digit numbers in your place value, the first digit is the tens place, and that's where you put your groups of 10. They're each worth 10. And then your second digit is your ones place. That's where you put your ones, your leftovers that you don't have enough of to make a group of 10. We'll go over here. So this would be 2 tens, 2 ones. That would be 22.